All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today is we're going to be installing some LED lights on the front here, since we redid the whole front, and we got a trolling motor hooked up now and everything. I ran some extra wire through here. We are going to have to make one drill hole down through here, and we'll go ahead and silicone that up too. But we got 12-inch LED strips, red and green for each side, since we can't have the front mount anymore. But we'll be able to put all the wires inside and they'll all be hidden. Only thing will be out will be the quick attach trolling motor and our quick attach electrical for it. But we went ahead and also did the teak foam up here, and the decking came out pretty good. Make sure to check out those videos. But let's go ahead and I'll show you our LEDs here. And the good thing about these, we only need to make the one drill hole, and we'll run both these wires in between it. They're going to come up together like that, so we'll be able to put the wires through the one hole. And these are red and green for your navigation, and it has the 3M sticky tape on the back, so you don't have to worry about drilling holes. So let's go ahead and start getting this done. All right, so we got our hole. Let's go ahead and get the LEDs in there. We'll get them stuck on here. We'll run our wiring in, and then we'll silicone this up once we're done. And then we'll be able to pull them through the hole in the top here and connect them to the wires. And then we'll be able to push everything back down in here so there's no wires sticking out. They don't tell you which one's red or which one's green, so we got to make sure they go on the right side, especially when we 3M them down. We don't want to try and peel them back off. So let's do a quick bench test here. And positive and negative. All right, so there's our red. So we now know that this one is red. Make sure here's our green. Yep, so that's our green. So now we know. And red is going to be on the right if you're looking at the boat, and green is going to be on the left. All right, so now we know where they're going. Left, green, right, red. All right, so now we can take off the 3M tape here. Just make sure you have a clean surface. Already cleaned this off with alcohol, so it's nice and good. So those strips are on there now. Let's go ahead and wire this up, and then we'll do the silicone last. That way we're not pulling on wires and it can set where it needs to be. Coming along. So now we're going to use something to go ahead and fish the wires out of here so we can go ahead and connect them in here. All right, let's go ahead and try our grabber tool. This might work. I think that grabbed both wires. That was perfect. All right. Sweet. Now we can go ahead and let go of that. This has a light in it too. It's pretty cool. I'll leave a link in the description for these. Definitely comes in handy. So now we need to go ahead and cut these and splice these all together, and we'll go ahead and use the kits we have here. I'll leave a link in the description for it. The solder shrink tubes here, and get everything all watertight and well connected.
LED.
Yeah. So before we go shoving all the wires back down in there, let's make sure we got a good connection. And we'll come down here. Oh yeah, end up getting the stainless steel latch for this too to lift this up to get to our trolling motor. Just want to point that out. So here we go, we got our navigation lights. So let's turn that on. Make sure to check out the video on this, on installing the rockers and everything. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, awesome. Let's get down and take a look at that. Actually, we could shove these wires all the way down in there now. Now that we know it's working. There we go. Wires are buried in there. That's perfect. All right, let's take a look down. All right. That looks awesome. Definitely a lot more light than other ones too. Last thing we got to do is put a little silicone here in the center. All right, I'll leave a link in the description. Silicone sealant by Starbright, works good. Seals everything right up. So what do you think, Jamie?
I love it.
We're actually getting a reflection off the GoPro here. But I tell you what, the pictures they show on Amazon, they're true. These are nice and bright and really cheap, and as you see, easy to install. Wow. So this is going to work out good. And there's the top there. All done up now. This is awesome. Make sure to check out the videos on doing the center board with the teak and everything. This boat's come a long way. This is all the fun stuff now. You're doing a good job, Major. You gotta watch straight ahead though. All right, we're all set here. So once again, we hope you like,
subscribe,
enjoy,
ring that notification bell.
That's right. And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye, guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Hi, guys.